Good morning. It's Monday, the 4th of November, one day before bonfire. We're on lates today. We've not really done one of these driver videos for a while. Keep getting distracted. A lot of the time, keep getting distracted. Here's the best bus driver in the world. When you coming back? 2 years. 2 years?
You good?
Yeah, I'm good, mate. Good to see you. So yeah, like I said, keep getting distracted, making these videos, and then I feel a bit embarrassed and don't make the rest of them. YouTube channel, going well, proper growth. Hopefully we'll get a bit more faster in the next couple of weeks. We're going to start ramping content up again. Just takes time. These new 4-day rosters are killing me. I think it helps the fact that I'm here, there and everywhere now. So I know people said they don't like the face tracking thing, but it's easy when I'm walking to know that I'm in focus. I'm trying to catch a service bus. There we go. One of my favourite drivers has become a taxi driver. It don't feel right. That's who I was just talking to. I've missed service. I've missed another service bus. So we are 2 behind Rosie today. A lovely mechanic brought us over, which was helpful. 2 buses to fix, and Maud fixed them already for him, so that was helpful. But yeah, going out at 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock depart. Let's have a look. Switch you around. Do you know, I'd love to get a drone shot of that. So, got 8:05 crew today. So 12 o'clock, get a break at 16:05, sorry, at 10 to 3, 16:05 take over, get a break at 7:15, well I'd say 7:15, back out at 8:35, all the way until 23:09, about 22:54. That one tends to be a little bit longer, that duty, so I tend to get a bit stuck on it. So yeah, just waiting for the bus to come in. I don't actually know what I've got today. Let's have a look on the map. There's a couple of 464s off the road. One's just been pulled off. So it wasn't mine, but here we go. 288 is mine probably. Right, there goes Rosie. So far so good. Relatively easy into the station, out at the station. I don't know how much we did actually. We've done about 50 quid. Quite easy, to be fair. Oh, not easy, just a regular afternoon so far. So yeah, just at Aki now. Not allowed to film in the cabs. So, obviously might get a bit in the saloon later on tonight. But yeah, just had dinner. I went to Greg's. We're lucky in Accrington. We have a Greg's like there. And then we've got another one in the town centre. So, me and Rod did a bit of a wander out town. Aki's quite a unique town really, because like you go in the town centre, like the main strip, and you think that's it, there's nothing else to the town. We found this little arcade off to the left, and there's loads of like unique little shops in there, so we're quite surprised about that. It's quite nice. Short sleeves today, kind of regretting it. Should have brought a jacket, maybe a hoodie or a jumper. But yeah, there's a Red Express on the stand waiting for a driver. I don't know where that's going. Well, I know where it's going, but I don't know who's driving it. But yeah, what's been going on? Well, been struggling trying to decide if this content's making sense. Like, I don't know if it's going to go to like a weekly thing, like, you know, like 4-day week sort of Asheville, you know, Monday we're in the yard, Tuesday on the road sort of thing, but I don't know. So yeah, I'm in a bit of a conundrum at the moment because I edit on a Mac, and just struggling with the videos. The one that I was meant to release on Friday, just not happy with it, so I've delayed it for a little bit. See how we go. See how we go with it. Delayed it for the simple fact that it feels rushed, not like the content that I'm happy with. So yeah, I'm gonna have a look at it again this week. I've got 2 days off this week. I had Sunday off, spent time with family. Got Wednesday off with Sebastian and Thursday off, so I might have another look at it. Yeah, Rosie's finishing up the stickers design, so the stickers and the pin badge should be coming soon. I need a new computer for the video games. I'm trying to record Train Sim World and I'm just getting horrible frame rate and horrible crashes, so that's probably bump up back a little bit. I'm deciding whether to spend the money and put the investment back later, but it's a lot of cash to spend at the moment. So yeah, but yeah, I've switched the 4-day roster. Took a while to get used to, going from 6 to 12-hour days, 10 hours driving. It's been quite difficult. It was a big mentality and mindset change. Working late has been a bit of a change. Normally I'm way on by this time on a Monday, Tuesday, you know, spending time with Sebastian and Sarah, usually cooking or looking after Sebastian. So that's been a big mindset change. So yeah, I just don't know. I don't know if I prefer the 4-day or the 5-day, but the money's better. Getting paid a lot more now. Getting about 50, 60 quid more. So yeah, that's handy. But yeah, I just feel like the content suffered a little bit, so I'm working on it. Just give me some time. But yeah, we'll wait for our bus to come in and then we'll see what's going on. So I just thought I'd give you a little bit of an explanation of what's been going on for the last couple of months. So thank you, and wait till the bus comes. We'll see you shortly. Right, so we've gone from a Volvo to an Optare, a very messy Optare. My Volvo had a bit of an issue. The bin kept opening, swinging around, so we swapped out for an Optare. Swapped out Rosie's Optare actually, and yeah, it's in better days, so I might have to go and get a brush. And she's left me some sweets. Yeah, not too bad. Oh, come back here, gimbal. Yeah, so it's alright so far. Bit more quieter than I anticipated. I don't know how long it's going to be like that for. These ones tend to get busier now because they're a pound service. So yeah, I'm just going to go and find some grub. Probably walk up to Tesco. It's probably the best place to get something to eat. And use their bathroom. See how we get on. Right, I'll catch you in a bit. It's 11:20 in the evening. You know, just see my bus get cleaned. Not a bad day. I kind of thought it was going to be worse than it was. I don't know why. I just had this anticipation that it was going to be a bit of an awful day. I think we did about £110 altogether. Yeah, wasn't too bad. But yeah, it's just I anticipated it being really, really like busy. So obviously tomorrow is not Halloween. Tomorrow's bonfire night. I'm on the same shift, so I'm going to do a video just to compare hopefully, see how things are going on with the different things. Yeah, I've not cashed in. I'll cash in the morning, and I just want to get home now and have something to eat or a drink, Coke, Pepsi, and then go from there. So just one of those. Like I said, it's getting used to that 4-day roster. Passenger wise, you just pick up a lot of kids tonight. A lot of people doing the 7 o'clock shop. So yeah, but hopefully you've enjoyed this little day in the life adventure. Crap, I'll get copyrighted for that. Hope you've enjoyed this day in the adventure driver look thingy-majig, whatever we call it these days. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.